The Seven Mysteries of the Age. The teacher led me into one of the chambers in the main building in which stood 7 pillars of light golden stone, each pillar capped with a square stone slab on top of which rested an object or group of objects. The 7 Mysteries of the Age, he said. We've looked at them separately, but now we bring them together to see the mystery of age itself. He led me to the first pillar, on which was a cup and a piece of matzah. God has set up a present age according to the pattern in sacred Hebrew year. The sacred year begins with Passover. Its mystery foreshadows the death of the Lamb that begins the age of salvation. He led me to the second pillar, on top of which was a sheaf of barley. The second mystery, he said, Yom Rashit, the day of first fruits of the spring harvest, is lifted up to God. Its mystery foreshadows the second appointed event of the age, the day of the first fruits. Messiah is lifted up from the dead, and the raising of the first fruits to new life, the resurrection. On the third pillar rested the sheaves of wheat and 2 loaves of bread. The third mystery, the Feast of Shavuot, the launching of the summer harvest. Its mystery foreshadows the third appointed event, the Feast of Pentecost, Shavuot, the giving of the Spirit, launching the harvest of the age. On the fourth pillar were grains, figs, grapes, and olives. The fourth mystery, the great summer harvest, the time of reaping the fields. Mystery speaks of the harvest of nations, the time of the gospel, of sowing and reaping, of going to the ends of the earth with the word of salvation, the time that is now. On the fifth pillar was the shofar, the fifth mystery, the Feast of Trumpets. What is next to come? Its mystery foretells the sounding of trumpets at the end of the age to herald the coming of the King. On the sixth pillar was a cloth, a piece of veil, and embroidered with cherubim. The sixth mystery, the Yom Kippur, the Day of Atonement, man and God face to face. Its mystery foreshadows the day of judgment and salvation of man and God standing face to face. On the seventh pillar were the branches of the lavav and the citrus fruit. The seventh mystery, the Feast of Tabernacles, the Feast of Dwellings. Its mystery foretells the age of the kingdom, when God will tabernacle among us, and we with him. The mystery of the age will be fulfilled. The mission. Time is framed by the holy days of God. Live today as a holy day, a sacred day, centered in the presence of God, and it will be so. Leviticus 23.